So when I started this platform about 4 months ago, I had no idea that guys were making money on YouTube. You know, I was very surprised to learn that you can actually make money here on YouTube. The main reason why I started this platform was because guys were asking me many questions on my TikTok, on my Instagram. People wanted a detailed review on whatever it is I was talking about, because I talk about ways to make money online and basically how you can earn from the comfort of your own home. So anytime I talked about something, people were asking, okay, so how do you go about this? And I thought, let me start a YouTube platform where I can provide long form answers to the questions that people ask. Now, when I was here, like just scrolling through YouTube, I saw people talking about 1 month monetized, 12 months monetized, 6 months monetized, and I was like, okay, so this is a good thing. Like, it can be a side hustle for me as well. So I was very interested, and in fact, let me just say I was thrilled to learn that I can make money online. And when I realized, I went on YouTube very fast and searched for like how much content creators in Kenya make, how much content creators in Africa make, and how much content creators in America make every other month. And I was so surprised, okay? And again, the reason I'm making this video is because I have been on this platform for the last 4 months, and I got monetized like 3 months in. So basically I've been monetized for the past 1 month, and I have been paid something small, which I'd love to share in this video. So if you are thinking about ways to make money online, I can say with confidence that YouTube is one way to do that, especially if you're looking for creative ways to make money. Because if you're good at talking and you don't mind staring at the camera, I can tell you for a fact, YouTube is a good way to make money. Not that I've earned a lot, but from my experience and from having watched very many videos, it's a good way to make money online. So we're just going to jump right to my dashboard so that you can see how much I've made and what my plans are. I'll talk a bit about that, what my plans are in the coming days to hopefully make more from this platform. Now, I want us to have a look at how much money I've made in the last 1 month, being 1 month monetized. And tada, it's giving beginner, it's giving amateur, but who cares? So this is the last 28 days. You can see I've had 18K views. I've had 154K impressions, 7.6 CTR. That is pretty good if you ask me. Then an average duration of 5.36. I don't know why you guys are not staying too long to watch my entire videos, but I'm going to work on that. And I promise you in the next videos, I'm going to keep you hooked so that you don't leave my channel, okay? Let's keep looking. Okay, so this is the last 28 days. I want us to look at the whole 365 days. Though I just started like 4 months ago, like I said, you see here, I started in posting my videos June 6th all the way to October. So June, July, August, September, October. Those are 4 good months, right? Thank you for supporting me, by the way. I really appreciate it. If it were not for you, I would not be monetized. I would not have 5,000 subscribers. So I'm super pleased, right? Back to business. So you can see that I've shared about, is it 20 something videos? The rest are shorts. So far 20 something videos. Okay, let's keep checking. Now for the audience, I think most of the audience is local audience, and again that plays in when it comes to how much you can earn, right? Local audience tends to like have low pay. Videos that are getting views from America, they get more pay. Okay, I guess it's because of the advertisers and whatnot. So what do we know? So let's have a look at this audience, right? Okay, here you can see that we have, first of all, we have age and gender. I've heard that channels that get more female viewers tend to be paid better, but mine, as you can see, most of my viewers are male. Hi males. I don't know why. There's nothing I can do about that, right? So I have 51% male, 49% female. Okay, so it's 50-50. 6-7, like my son says. I don't know what it means. Okay, now for the age, most of my viewers are between the age of 18 to, let's say, 45, which is okay, I guess. And finally now, like I was saying, the location, most of my viewers are coming from Kenya. Hi Kenyans, hi cousins. Then we have Nigerians, South Africans, United States. It's just 1.6. Then we have Ghana and whatnot. I'm glad that my videos are watched from other countries apart from my own country, Kenya. So anyway, now let's head over to revenue. Okay, for the revenue, drum roll. Ta-da! So there, standing majestically, is my $35. So in the last 30 days, I have been able to make $35. Okay, now, like I said, I was monetized 1 month ago. You see, I started June and I was able to be monetized from that is September 1st, right? September, we are in October. So I was I was monetized August. Is it September 1st or August? I think late August, early September there, right? And the lowest I've earned so far, I think, is 0.53 in a 57, sorry, in a day, and the highest has been something like 2.88 in a day. So that's good. Again, give me some claps, I guess. Okay. I know it's not much, and perhaps you're probably like, $30 the whole month, all that work. Oh my goodness, what a bummer. It's not a lot, to be honest, but let's say if I were to just sit at home, where would I pick $30 from? At least I can use that money to pay for internet or take myself out and buy some nice lunch, right? And the best part about creating YouTube videos is, number one, it's a creative outlet. Like when I'm bored, when I feel like I seen a form, okay, I don't have something to do, I can just sit, take my camera and start recording. It's a very creative outlet. Makes me feel good, right? Keeps me busy. So that's a very big positive if you ask me. Like that time I would spend maybe just watching TV or doing something else, I can create a video and feel very good afterwards, right? In addition to that, the YouTube videos are slightly different from other platforms. Unlike TikTok, which I have been on for like 2 years, and Instagram, you can create as much content as you possibly can, and it doesn't pay, okay, unless you're using other ways to make money. So today I'm just talking about AdSense and the platform paying you directly, right? So for these other platforms, they do not pay you to shoot content, but at least YouTube pays you something, right? So all my work is not going to waste. And the thing that I love the most about YouTube is that even after a month, 2 months, my video can still perform well, right? So the video does not just get lost as it does on other social media platforms. That's a very good point. And I've also realized that some videos, you can publish them today, they don't perform as well, but after 2 months, after 3 months, they blow up. Meaning you still have a very high chance of making so much money from one single video. Just a few pointers on what I'm planning to do in the coming maybe month or two to see my revenue increase is that I'm thinking about posting at least 2 videos and be consistent about it, because I've noticed that anytime I share a video, the money increases significantly compared to when I don't share a video. So if I can maybe do 2 videos every week and see my revenue increase just by a bit, okay, because my target is maybe to hit the $100 mark, because I hear or understand that you cannot cash out the money until it reaches a certain threshold, which is like 70 euros or $100. I'm not so sure. I'll confirm. So I'm thinking that if I share like 2 videos every other week, then the money will reach that amount very fast. And also I'm thinking about maybe increasing the length of my videos from 10 to something like 20, because that way I'll be able to add more ads. I'm not so sure. I'm still experimenting, honestly. So I'll just come here later on and tell you what worked and what didn't work. And now let me just add this last sentiments is that before you start making money on YouTube, you need to hit a certain threshold again, and that is usually 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, which is pretty stiff if you ask me. But let me just say, with consistency, like if you post consistently and you're posting quality and you aim at improving every other time you post a video, then the 4,000 watch hours is not so far after all. And by the way, some people reach that with 1 videos, others with 2 videos. So just keep posting, because like they say, you never know which video could blow up. That's my 1 month monetized video. I can't believe I'm saying that because I've watched very many videos of people talking about 1 month monetized, and I know that in the next 6 months, having that plan that I've told you guys in place, I'm going to like improve significantly. I don't want to say for sure, but I know the money is going to be a bit more. So I'll catch you in 6 months when I share my 6 months monetized. Okay, sounds so far away, but again, I'll be here, I'll be seated here and remind you guys, remember I made $30. Yeah, right now I'm at maybe $100 a month. Who knows? Let's just hope so. So that's the video for today. Again, if you wish to learn more about making money online, be sure to catch my other videos. And for now, that's all. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Which is like, I don't know, 70 euros, a certain threshold, which is like, I don't know, 70 euros or $1,000 until it reaches us. Okay, exactly. Until it reaches a certain okay.